Risotto seafood guys ha. First oil guys ha, corn oil. Okay, risotto seafood guys ha. Risotto seafood. You see how to make guys ha. One big mussel ha. And water. Boiling water. And then shrimp and calamari guys. Shrimp and calamari. I cook more because now is busy. I put salt and black pepper guys. Now start guys ha. I cook now ha. Guys. Then I put guys, you see, white wine ha, white wine. Stick. Imran, can you put the steak to 3 minutes? I put white wine ha. One order? Yes, one order. Parbes! Tuko na pa, 45. Oh. I take some guys ha. I take some ha. Only 6 pieces, one order. Now I put rice guys ha. Rice. Okay, rice na yun ha. Rice na guys. And then half chicken stock. Half chicken stock guys ha. Make risotto guys ha, risotto. And then tomato sauce guys ha, don't forget tomato sauce ha. Tomato sauce. Two ladder only guys ha. Little cream ha, little cream. Table naman tayo. Sauce, lemon, tao. Steak sauce, lemon, tao. Guys ha. I put little sugar for sweet. This is the secret of Italian guys ha. Little sugar. A big shrimp, huh? Now it's time to plating guys. Wait. Time to plating. Now it's ready. I put, you see, Parmesan cheese guys. Parmesan. Madali din ko. Now it's time to plating. I plating now guys. So now guys ready Now I put plating. Plating na siya guys now. Ito yung ating soto seafood. Ready guys This is Italian pasta. So guys I put one big mussel guys. You see big mussel. Wow. Then one big shrimp. You see guys the big shrimp. Big shrimp guys. Yan na yung ating soto seafood guys Little parmesan. Yes. See? Little parmesan. And then parsley. Yan guys ready na po tayo. Serving na tayo guys Wow. My partner, mapikalamhay. Guys. Si Esada. Si my partner Thank you for watching guys Ready na po ang ating food for delivery na. I give. Don't worry.